How to change Spotify location. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to change your country on Spotify. In order to change country on your Spotify, first thing first, make sure that you've updated your application and then open up your Spotify. Basically, to change your country on Spotify, you can also use VPN, or you can do that with the help of a VPN. However, VPN is not a reliable source. What you can do is, apart from that, you need to go to the premium section once you're logged into your Spotify account. So you need to click on try for free 1 month, which is right on top, or you can just get a premium account, and you need to get a subscription for our premium account. So for that, you need to pay a certain amount. After you get a premium account, you'll be able to change your Spotify location. As you can see right at the bottom, there is an option as change country. Just tap on it, and then according to you, you'll be able to find multiple country and a reason where you can actually make changes with your Spotify's reason. According to the reason you've selected, the price also depends accordingly, and you'll be able to access the features that is available on this particular country that you've selected. This is how you can change your country on Spotify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.